Find out the hybridization of star-marked carbon in the following structures. Here we have few examples. So every example is having a star-marked carbon atoms. So we have to find out the hybridization of the star-marked carbon atoms. So here keep it in mind that carbon can bonded with any other atom if it uses single bond, so it is having of sp3 hybridization. If it uses double bond, having of sp2 hybridization. If it has triple bond, so it has sp hybridization. If both double bonds are present, that is also sp hybridization. So keep it in mind so you can easily answer for the given question. So here the carbon is having double bond, so its hybridization is sp2. Here carbon is having a double bond with the oxygen, so the atom is doesn't matter whether the carbon uses a double bond or single bond or triple bond, so that is important. So here carbon utilizes the triple bond, so it hybridization state is sp. Here only single bonds, so sp3 hybridization. Here carbon having double bond, so sp2 hybridization. Here carbon having double bond, so sp2 hybridization. So in this carbon having all single bond, so sp3 hybridization. Having double bond, so sp2 hybridization. So in this one also carbon having double bond with oxygen, that is sp2 hybridization. This is also sp2 hybridization. Based on this one you can easily answer. If carbon is having a only sigma bond, that is single bond, uses sp3. If carbon is having a double bond, sp2, having triple bond, sp. If both double bonds are there, that is sp hybridization. Find out the hybridization of C2 and C3 carbon atoms. In this question, first we have to find out the C2 and C3 atoms, then later we need to find out hybridization. So according to the IUPAC rules, if double and triple bonds are present at the same position, we need to give the importance to the double bond. So in this one, so if you start numbering from left side, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. If you start numbering from right side, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in this both conditions, so from left hand side numbering and right hand side numbering, so at both conditions, so double and triple bond are having same numbering. So in this case we need to give the importance to the double bond. So we need to give the numbering, lowest numbering to the double bond. So this one has to be selected. So RHS has to be selected. So this is the second carbon and this is the third carbon. So the hybridization states are, so carbon having double bond, so it is sp2 hybridized. Having triple bond, this one is sp hybridized. So in this one, so same, the double and triple bonds are present at a same position, so we have to select the lowest number. We have to give the lowest number to the double bond, so we need to give the numbering from right hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So C2 and C3 atoms are these. So having this one, so carbon is having double bond, so it is sp2 hybridized. So C3 carbon having single bond, so it is sp3 hybridized. In the last one, so double and triple bonds are at different positions. If you start numbering from LHS, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and if you start numbering from right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here triple bond is present at first position, double bond is present at fourth position. Here double bond is present at the second position. So first we have to give the importance to the multiple bond which is carrying the lowest number. So here the double bond is carrying second number and here triple bond is having first numbering. So this is the lowest number, so we need to select the LHS numbering. So this carbon is the first one and this is the second carbon. So C2 and C3 having the hybridization of C2 carbon having sp hybridized. Why? Because it is having triple bond, and C3 carbon having single bond, so it is sp3 hybridized. Find out the hybridization of carbocation and carbanion in the given structures. So here the carbocation is having 3 sigma bonds. So steric number is equal to number of bond pairs plus number of lone pairs. Here 3 bond pairs are present and 0 lone pairs. Steric number is 3, so its hybridization is sp2. So in the carbanion, so in this carbon, so we have steric number is equal to 3 bond pairs. We have 3 bond pairs and 1 lone pair. 3 bond pairs and 1 lone pair. So actually this lone pair is involved in the resonance. This lone pair is involved in the resonance. So we should not consider this lone pair in the calculation of hybridization. So we just consider only the bond pairs. So we have only 3 bond pairs. So the carbon atom hybridization is sp2. Arrange them in increasing order of bond length. So here we have few questions. So we need to arrange them in the increasing order of bond length. So you know that carbon-carbon single bond length is 1.54 angstroms. Carbon-carbon double bond length is 1.34 angstroms, and carbon-carbon triple bond length is 1.20 angstroms. So based on that, so first one is having of 1.54 bond length, so second one is 1.20, and third one is 1.34 angstroms. So the order will becomes, so increasing order. So the first one is second one, next third one, and first one. So this will be the order of increasing bond length of the particular examples. Next, second one, here the carbon-carbon bond length single bond, so 1.54, so 1.34, 1.20. So by this we can arrange them, so Z, Y and X. So in the case of third one, so here the carbon is in sp2 hybridized state, here sp3 hybridized state, and this one is sp hybridized state. So each carbon is having different electronegativity when you compare with that of hydrogen atom. So there is a, so to easily remember, so we have one thing, that difference in electronegativity is inversely proportional to the bond length and directly proportional to the bond strength, and as well as ionic character. So by this, so difference between the electronegativity of two atoms. So here sp2 hybridized carbon atom electronegativity is 2.77, and here is 2.1 only. So sp3 hybridized 2.5, so 2.1. Here sp hybridized is 3.25 and 2.1. So in the case of third one, so sp hybridized carbon is 3.25 and hydrogen is only 2.1. So there is more electronegativity difference between the carbon and hydrogen atoms. So this bond length is less. So difference in electronegativity is more, bond length is less. So 3 is having less bond length when you compare with that of second and first one. In the case of 1 and 2, so 2.77 and 2.1, so this is having more electronegativity difference between these two atoms, and when you compare with that of sp3 hybridized carbon atom and hydrogen. So third, that is C will be the first option, so having a more electronegativity difference and less bond length, and after that first example, so that is A will be first when you compare with that of B. In the fourth one, so you know that triple bond is shortest. Triple bond is shortest when you compare with that of double bond. So the first one is the shortest bond when you compare with that of second, that is double bond. So fourth one. So double bond is at fourth position. First triple bond is at first position. Then after, so the hybridization states of the carbon atoms here, sp hybridized and sp3 hybridized. So the electronegativity difference 3.25 and 2.5. So more electronegative difference. So the third one, so this one is sp2 hybridized and this one is also sp2 hybridized. So sp2 sp3 electronegativity difference is so 2.77 and 3.2.5. So less electronegativity difference, so more bond length. So if you have a less electronegativity difference, more bond length. So more electronegativity difference means less bond length. So after 4, so second one is having less bond length, so 2.5 minus 3.25. Second one is having less bond length, and after that third one. So this is the order.